we've got this rather large patio today, and it's never been professionally cleaned, so as you can see, very dirty. Okay, we're only going to do the patio. There's a load of other things that need to be done, but one step at a time. Customer may, at a later date, may have the walls done and the tops of the walls done. But we're going to concentrate on this today. So, like I said, a large area with a lot of dirt and organic soiling. Just goes up to that area there, and then it finishes just here. So the first thing we're going to do is just clear any surface debris from the surface using our leaf blower, and then we can get on with the high pressure cleaning. Okay, so we're getting on with this job now, and as you can see, I have actually cleaned the tops there of the little wall with great care. Obviously, I cannot use any chemical at all anywhere near those plants, so I very carefully pressure washed the tops there. Okay, and just to give you a comparison, so this is what we're faced with. Okay, and what you see here is an area where we've pressure washed, and we've now put our special chemical down, and the chemical is now reacting with the organic soil on the surface of the tile, or slab I should say. And this is the very first area that we've cleaned and applied our chemicals, and this is dry. So what a huge difference. I mean, it is just like night and day. But we do it in stages. We don't throw chemical all over the place, and we don't apply it by X-Jet either, especially when there's plenty of plants everywhere. Best way to apply this is with a broom, and you don't waste chemical either. You put just the right amount down. Anyway, so I'm going to take a little bit of a break now, leave that on for probably about 15 minutes, rinse it off, and then we get on with the next stage. So we're just doing it in blocks. Okay, but the customer was absolutely astounded by the difference already. So anyway, we'll come back to this when we've got a little bit further. Right, folks, we've come to the end of this job now, and this part of the patio is still drying out. I think you'll agree that that's looking a lot better than it did yesterday before we started. And there was some additional work that we did. We also very gently cleaned that part of the decking. We used micro cleanse with a CRB machine. We did not use high pressure water on that at all. And we also cleaned the tops of the border wall there that goes all the way around. We didn't use any chemical on that, obviously, because of the plants. So we just removed all the dirt and that. But yeah, we started here, and all those black spots that were visible yesterday have pretty much all but disappeared. Okay, the product has killed the organic growth, and so there you have it. That will dry out, that will look really lovely. And I mean, down here it was really black, and that's now clean. And we also We also cleaned all the path going right to the flower bed right at the back there. So that's now looking really lovely. Again, we didn't use any chemical at all. It's just purely that's just been jet washed. There you have it. So if you have a patio that's in need of some TLC, then call Pro Steam UK today. Contact us through the website www.prosteamuk.com. Thanks for watching.